this shit gotta be really in you. You gotta be one of the ones that can see the future. That can see the tomorrow. You can see 6 months from now. You can see 6 years from now. And you know how to put people in place to operate a machine. When you do it, and this shit work for you, and you succeed in this shit, it ain't no better feeling. I know what I want. I know what I'm worth, and I know what I'm gonna do. And I know I know what all I'm doing right now, so I know exactly what predicted and what situation I'm gonna be in next year and 2 years from now. So you can't talk to me about like some money right now when it's like I don't know, bro. Like my mind just geeked up crazy as hell, and I see shit before it happens, and I know exactly what I want.
A lot of people, they have vision, they have dreams and shit, but they don't put up no percentage or no effort trying to make that shit come to life. It's just like you being a workaholic, bro. It's like it ain't no telling where you end up in life. You know what I mean? Like you a workaholic and can't shit stop you and slow you down from getting your work done. It ain't no telling what you be in life. You know what I mean? And don't let your environment like determine or control what you're gonna be.
You gotta prove yourself and all that shit. Me, I ain't had to prove myself to how I felt. Like I felt like I had to everybody else I would prove myself, but to me, it's like I was just waiting like, damn, watch how they face turn and goddamn when I flip this shit and I get hot and do this and do that. Cause I knew I was gonna get myself hot. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like 100% knew it.
How'd you know it, and how were you able to execute on that?
It's like I ain't scared, bro, and I love the hustle. I love the adrenaline. I love the feeling of putting the play together and like going all the way through with it and smiling at the end because it did more than what you even had thought and expected the shit to do. Mm-hmm. Know what I'm saying? And with any play you execute and you do that on, it's like, it's going to be success. I don't care what it is. I don't care who you is. It's like, you do it right, it's going to get done right.
It's the motivation for everybody to get up, wake up and go and get it. Know what I'm saying? Like to get their hustle on and take it as far as they can go through the roof with it.